Chapter 17 Means of Transport. Science and technology have made tremendous advancements in the field of transport. It has become very easy to reach a distant place in a limited time. Early means of transport were animal driven. They included tonga or cart, which were pulled by horse or ox. Those means of transport were very slow, but the modern means of transport are quick and fast. They take very little time to reach the place or destination. Transport is of utmost necessity in the modern age. It helps to carry the goods and people from one place to another. A variety of means of transport are available to us. The means of transport are changing with time. The modes of transport can be divided into the following three categories: land transport, air transport, and water transport. A. Land transport. All those transport means that run on the solid land part of earth or land are called land transport. These means of transport run on the roads, but train runs on tracks. The vehicles that run on roads can be used for short distances as well as for the long distances. The scooter, auto rickshaw, bike, car, etc. are used to move within the city or for the short distances. The bus and truck also run on road and are used for the long distances. Bus is used to carry the passengers and truck is used to carry the goods. Some people use car also for long distances. Modern buses are in the form of luxury coach and traveling in them is very comfortable. Truck is of great importance to us as it carries the goods from one place to another. We use so many things every day like biscuits, fruits, furniture, etc. All these things are brought from other cities. Trucks are used to transport them. The roads are of different types. Some roads are wide and smooth and are called national highways. The vehicles run very fast on them. Some roads are narrow, as in hills, where vehicles cannot run very fast. The village roads are bumpy. Train is a land means of transport. It does not run on road but on tracks. Today, a variety of trains are used. Different types of trains are used for different purposes. Goods trains are used to carry the goods over distant places. Good trains are very useful to carry large amount of goods like food grains, coal, timber, etc. Passenger trains are used to carry passengers. People like to travel by train for long distance because it is a very safe and comfortable journey. Express trains and mail trains run in most part of the country. Rajdhani and Shatabdi trains are very fast trains. Metro trains run underground and are found in the cities of Delhi and Kolkata. Trains stop at the railway station where people board and leave the train. Goods are also loaded at the railway station. It is a place of hectic activity. Earlier steam engines were used in trains, but today diesel and electric engines are used. Diesel engines cause little pollution as compared to the steam engines. The electric engines do not cause any pollution. Activity. Name any train in which you or your family has traveled. B. Air transport. Air transport is the fastest of all other means of transport. Two types of aircraft are used in air transport. They are aeroplane and helicopter. Both these means are used by people to travel over distant places or other countries. It takes a few hours to reach anywhere in the world. It is a very costly mode of transport. The aeroplane is used for the longer distances and helicopter is used for the shorter distances. Aeroplane takes off and lands on the airport only. It cannot land on any other surface because airport has a very smooth surface and nothing obstructs it. Modern airports are very big where aeroplanes can land and take off even during night. All big cities have airports. The helicopter does not need airport. It can take off and land from any simple smooth surface. Some planes are very big and are used to carry goods. Such planes are called cargo planes. Activity. Name any two airlines of India. C. Water transport. Water transport is the slowest and cheapest means of transport. Two main vehicles involved in water transport are ship and boat. Water transport is mainly used to carry the goods over long distances from one place to another. Therefore, most of the international trade is done with its help. The slow speed of water transport does not affect much of the international trade. It takes several days to reach other countries. However, the modern ships are not very slow. They sail with very heavy engines which are diesel operated. Ship and boat sail in the sea. Ship is used to sail over long distances and boat is used for short distances. Activity. Name 4 major ports of India. Some ships are designed to carry the passengers also. Boats are small and can sail in the rivers also. Ships are parked at port. Most of the big coastal cities have ports where ships are loaded and unloaded. Pollution. Pollution makes the surroundings dirty. The surroundings include the air, water, soil, etc. When any of them becomes dirty, it is called polluted. All types of pollution is caused due to activities of man. Let us study about the causes of pollution. 1. A lot of smoke comes out of the vehicles. The smoke mixes in the air and pollutes it. When we inhale this air, we fall ill. 2. Many factories also release a lot of smoke. They release the smoke through tall chimneys. This air is inhaled by us and brings harm to us. 3. Industries also release liquid sewage, which is very poisonous. When this sewage joins some river, the water of river is also polluted. Sometimes, the sewage is absorbed by the soil and soil also gets polluted. 4. Farmers spray many insecticides to kill the crop damaging insects. The insecticides contain many poisonous chemicals which when mixed with the soil, pollute the soil. When any plant grows in it, the poisonous chemical are absorbed by it. When we consume this plant, the poisonous chemical enters our body and causes serious complications. Things to remember. 1. The scooter, auto rickshaw, car, etc. are used within the city. 2. The bus and truck are used for the long distances. 3. Train journey is preferred by the people. 4. Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. 5. Helicopter can land and take off from any smooth surface. 6. Water transport is the cheapest and slowest means of transport. 7. Pollution is the spoiling of environment. 8. Vehicles and industries release a lot of smoke. 9. Industrial sewage pollutes water and soil.